Just remember,
Ready?
if we go over, jump off. Don't catch yourself with your wrist. Okay. Wish us luck.
Oh god. Oh my god.
Very rocky.
Very rocky. I was hoping they would like grade all the rocks down.
Yeah, well, I looked it up and I thought that's what they said they were doing. I'm going to close my shield here.
Okay.
Gotta get to a better spot.
Oh god.
Okay. They definitely graded it for drainage. Look at the slope.
Yeah.
You nervous?
Yeah.
It's
It's gonna be the longest 10 minutes of my life.
Yeah. Think we can make it in 10?
20, whatever.
There's two things that I'm hoping don't happen. I blow a fork seal, and or I puncture a tire, and or, let's make it three things. I bend my rim.
Don't make it three things. What are you talking about?
Well, it's not terrible.
It's not. Well, we still have like 2.5 miles to go, so. I hate the big rocks in the middle of the road. Like, I think it's becoming kind of a popular spot.
This is so sketch.
Yeah. They're probably like, those poor bastards.
These guys are
What are
probably
they
like,
doing?
what the fuck?
Yeah. Get out of the way, dude. Come on, man.
Right?
What's happening?
Meanwhile, my engine will be here overheating.
It's all part of the adventure, babe. Right?
I guess.
This is probably like the craziest road we've ever been on, two up.
Yeah, for sure.
With a freaking sandboard on my lap.
Oh god, big bumps. I'm going over here. Okay. This better be worth it.
Oh shit.
Guys, this 1 3-mile stretch of road, if you can call it a road, could make or break this entire trip that we're on.
Yeah.
Because if something happens to the bike, we are 12 hours from home, 600 miles from home, and no way to get there.
Holy shit.
And we have stuff to do tomorrow. Oh my god.
Oh.
And if we break down, we're not going to be able to do any of that. The bike's not going to like us at the end of this. Oh man, I hope I don't blow a fork seal. This is not. Oh god. Some air movement on the engine.
Cool off, little buddy. Oh,
I just want everyone to know that this was your idea.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
I need an adventure bike.
No kidding. Oh.
Man, these curves are fucking bumpy.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. Those rocks are huge.
No risk, no reward.
We hiked 3 miles, so it's only fair that the bike gets to go for a little hike.
That's true.
Right?
That's true. It's been 3 miles yet.
I wonder if we're the only motorcycle to do this road.
The what?
If we're the only motorcycle to go on this road.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because this is not for motorcycles. Oh, holy shit, that scared me.
That was a big rock. The bike's gonna need a bath.
Yeah.
Go over here.
Is this what that road was like when you and Matt were in Colorado and you laid it over?
It was those size of boulders.
Oh, are you serious?
Yes.
Babe.
That's why I put it over.
Damn.
Yeah, it was not made for a motorcycle for sure.
Kind of like this road. Oh my god. Oh. Are we there yet?
Oh, this is
Are you
stupid.
laughing?
This is so stupid. If it rains, we are stuck on this mountain.
Well,
Like, there's no getting off of this thing.
we will just have to be one with the land. Another freaking curve? Come on.
The rocks aren't bad. It's the like washboarding in the dirt.
Yeah.
That's, you know,
And those curves, there's like huge holes. Not holes, but bumps.
yeah.
Oh my god, are we here?
No. No fucking way. That was 3 miles. Is this it?
Yeah,
Kinda
the
wanna park
trail.
by
That's
this.
where we need to go.
Is this it?
Yeah. How about up there? I think that would be okay.
Where?
Just up here on that slab.
True.
And we're not going to be here for all day.
Yeah.
Holy shit, I cannot believe you did that.
I can't either.
Good job. Oh,
Sketchy.
oh my god, that was nuts.
So sketchy.
Turns out I was like squeezing this board, my hands hurt.
Oh God. Hey,
What?
look at me. Let's go do some hiking.
Let's go do some more hiking.
See you guys on the trail.